Ever wondered how engineers and scientists get those super precise measurements? This video unlocks the secrets of the Vernier Caliper. By the end of this video, you'll read one like a pro. A Vernier Caliper is an instrument used to measure length. It measures the length of objects with short lengths, such as the diameter of a pen or the diameter of a water tap. A Vernier Caliper consists of the main scale, the vernier scale, and two jaws, the outer jaws and the inner jaws. The outer jaw is used to measure the external diameters of objects, such as the diameter of a pen. The inner jaw is used to measure the internal diameters of objects, such as the internal diameter of a water tap. Did you know Vernier calipers aren't just for scientists and engineers? Artists and the do-it-yourself enthusiasts use them for crafting precise jewelry, measuring components for 3D printing, and even restoring antique items to their original dimensions. Precision isn't just practical, it's creative. How do you read a Vernier caliper? For instance, given this Vernier caliper, what is its reading? Before I reveal the final answer, try to calculate it yourself. Drop your result in the comments and see if you beat me to it. Before reading a Vernier caliper, first identify the main scale and the vernier scale. The main scale is placed on top, so this is the main scale. The vernier scale is placed at the bottom, so this is the vernier scale. Read the main scale by reading the mark on the main scale before the vernier scale's 0 mark. In this case, the main scale equals 3.1 centimeters. Read the vernier scale by reading the mark on the vernier scale in line with the main scale. Multiply the value by 0.01 if the scale is in centimeters, or 0.1 if the scale is in millimeters. In this case, the vernier scale equals 2 centimeters. Multiplying the value by 0.01 gives 0.02 centimeters as the vernier scale reading. Finally, add the main scale and the vernier scale. Therefore, the final reading equals the main scale plus the vernier scale reading. The main scale reading equals 3.1 centimeters and the vernier scale reading equals 0.02 centimeters. 3.1 plus 0.02 gives 3.12 centimeters. So, the reading of this Vernier caliper is 3.12 centimeters. The second example. Find the reading of this Vernier caliper. The main scale equals 5.3 centimeters. The mark which is before the 0 mark of the vernier scale. The vernier scale equals 6, the mark which is in line with the main scale. Multiplying the value by 0.01 gives 0.06 centimeters as the vernier scale. The final reading equals the main scale plus the vernier scale reading. The main scale equals 5.3 centimeters and the vernier scale equals 0.06 centimeters. 5.3 plus 0.06 gives 5.36 centimeters. So, the reading of this Vernier caliper is 5.36 centimeters. The last example. What is the reading of this Vernier caliper? The main scale is 0. The vernier scale is 3, multiplied by 0.01, which gives 0.03 centimeter. The final reading equals the main scale plus the vernier scale reading. The main scale is 0, and the vernier scale equals 0.03 centimeters. 0 plus 0.03 gives 0.03 centimeters. Therefore, the reading of this Vernier caliper is 0.03 centimeters. To recap, a Vernier caliper is an instrument used to measure the length of objects with short lengths, such as the diameter of a pen or the diameter of a water tap. The outer jaw is used to measure the external diameters of objects. The inner jaw is used to measure the internal diameters of objects. To read a Vernier caliper, read the main scale, then the vernier scale. The final reading equals the main scale plus the vernier scale reading. Boom! You just cracked the code on reading a Vernier caliper. Now that you know how to conquer this, stay tuned for the next video where we'll tackle the micrometer screw gauge. It's like the Vernier caliper's cooler, more precise cousin.